Did you know that a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance? Or that octopuses have 3 hearts? How about this? The shortest war in history lasted only 38 minutes. And get this, a sneeze travels out of your mouth at over 100 miles per hour. Here's another mind blower. Butterflies taste with their feet. Can you imagine tasting your food by walking on it? Oh, and don't forget, the first oranges weren't actually orange, they were green. Lastly, did you know that the world's oldest known living tree is over 5,000 years old? That's older than the pyramids. Pretty cool, right? Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments.